Now, you've earned a chance to travel the world on your terms. But here's the problem. Cruise lines quietly hope you don't find out about the benefits built especially for you. Every time you skip a perk, they save money. Every time you don't ask, they win. Today, we're turning the tables. We'll walk through the most valuable perks senior cruisers are missing, the ones that save you time, money, and stress. And I'll show you the exact words that get a yes. So let's dive into the specific perks you can start using right away. Picture this. The terminal is packed, luggage gets heavier with every step, and the lines feel endless. Most people just endure it. But if you're 65 or older, you don't have to. Maritime accessibility rules guarantee you the right to request priority boarding assistance, even if you don't use a wheelchair. This means smoother check-in, staff helping with luggage, and even being guided directly to your cabin. At tender ports, you'll board calmly and early, skipping the chaotic rush. Magic phrase to request this. I'd like to request mobility assistance for embarkation. And once you're on board without the hassle, let's make sure your first meals are just as easy. Buffet crowds can be overwhelming, and sometimes your medication requires food before the dining halls open. What most people don't know? Those room service delivery fees, often $7.95 or more, are waived for seniors with medical or dietary needs. The definition of medical need is broad. Early medication schedules, difficulty standing in line, or simply needing a quieter setting all qualify. And here's the magic phrase to use. I have senior dietary requirements related to my medication schedule and would like to understand room service accommodations. Speaking of meals, timing matters, and that's where your dining schedule comes in. Food isn't just fuel on a cruise, it's a highlight. And unlike younger travelers, you can request dining times that match your rhythms. Whether you need an earlier seating to manage medications or prefer a quieter table away from foot traffic, senior dining accommodations exist. Royal Caribbean, Princess, and Carnival all have unpublished options for senior seating. Just use this phrase. I'd like to request senior dining accommodations for passengers 65 and older. Now, when you step off the ship, the same thoughtful pacing should follow you ashore. Walking long distances in unfamiliar ports can be stressful, but seniors can request priority bus seating, boarding before the rush, extended rest breaks, or even alternative transportation. Guides often adjust pacing when seniors are present. I've seen excursions slowed down, shaded routes added, and breaks extended without complaint. Here is the magic phrase to use. I'd like to request shore excursion accommodations due to senior mobility considerations. And when you return to the ship, your cabin should restore you, not wear you out. Cabin location matters. Being stuck at the far end of a hallway or in a room without grab bars can turn your trip into daily exhaustion. Seniors who voice concerns often receive free upgrades to cabins closer to elevators, with better bathrooms or even balcony cabins. One traveler shared that after mentioning knee pain, he was discreetly moved from an inside room to a midship cabin near dining, at no extra cost. Here's how to ask for this request. I'd like to request accommodations for comfort and mobility. Once you're comfortable, you can savor something special at dinner, and sometimes without the extra fee. Fancy steakhouse meals usually cost extra. But if you have dietary restrictions, like low sodium, soft foods, or meal timing tied to medications, cruise lines often waive specialty dining fees. Milestone celebrations like golden anniversaries, retirement voyages, or first cruises after recovery are another ticket in. Staff often provide complimentary specialty dining experiences when seniors mention them. And the savings don't stop there. They can carry into your next voyage. Seniors are often fast-tracked into higher loyalty tiers, offered unpublished medical consideration discounts, or even given priority access to repositioning cruises, some of the cheapest voyages available. But here is one overlooked trick. Referrals. Bring along another senior couple, and you may double or triple your referral credits. Just tell a crew member this magic phrase. As a senior traveler, I'd like to understand what future cruise accommodations and discounts might be available. Finally, beyond policies and pricing, there are thoughtful touches that make your cruise feel personal. Beyond the official perks, there are subtle kindnesses. Priority seating at shows, ushers often escort older guests to prime spots. Wellness checks. Nurses may discreetly follow up if you've mentioned a condition. Customized meal prep. Soft foods, reduced sodium, even nostalgic desserts, often at no cost. Celebration surprises. Anniversaries or retirements can trigger thoughtful cabin decorations, champagne, or flowers. These aren't perks you'll see in a brochure, but they're part of the cruise culture of caring for seniors. And now that you know what to ask for, here's the single line that unlocks nearly all of it. Now, let's pull this together. The cruise lines won't offer these perks up front. They're counting on you not asking. But here's your master script, the one sentence that opens nearly every door. Hi, I'm 65 and sailing with you. I wanted to check what accommodations might be available for senior passengers with comfort and mobility considerations. That phrasing signals you know there are unpublished benefits. It's polite, it's informed, and it works. With that in your back pocket, let's bring it home with a simple plan to put it into action. Cruising after 65 isn't about slowing down. It's about sailing smarter. From skipping long lines to savoring meals on your schedule, from cabin upgrades to wellness programs, these perks aren't favors. They're your rights, your comforts, and your rewards for a lifetime of journeys. So before your next voyage, remember, ask early at booking and again 2 weeks before. Ask politely on embarkation and the first day aboard, and ask confidently because these perks exist for you. When you claim them, something magical happens. The logistics fade into the background, and the moments, like sunsets over the open sea, laughter at dinner, the thrill of a new port, take center stage. At 65 and beyond, you've earned more than just a vacation. You've earned the golden age of travel, and now that you've got your perks in hand, it's time to pick a cruise. Click the video above, and let's travel.